In this video, I'm going to show you how to actually connect Loox for your Shopify. Head to Shopify or click on Start Free Trial on the top right corner. To access this page, you can either open Shopify App Store, head to your Shopify, Apps, Recommended Apps, Shopify App Store. Or you can directly go to apps.shopify.com. Click on View Demo Store to see what this looks like. As you can see, this is really one amazing tool. 100,000 active stores, 220 million driven sales, and a lot of amazing stuff. This is what Loox looks like. It's a product review and it's really amazing. You can even have the reviews on the top right corner and you will open a prompt like this. To set all this up, go to here. Make sure that, as I said, it's not really a free tool, but you can have a free demo. Click on Add App. It's really notable to say that this tool is really used for a lot of stuff. Click on Install App on the top right corner and then you will be prompted with this page. In this page, you will have to authenticate your account, which it automatically did. And now let's click on Use Loox for free. It's going to be prompt us with our credit card entry for the demo version. We're gonna click Get Started, choose the color, choose any text, for example, hello, hi there, thanks for visiting our site. I highly suggest that you go check ahead some view email sample to understand what it looks like. And here it is. You can even do this after, for example, 40 days after fulfillment or after purchase. Click Continue. You can set a discount, for example, 15%. This will give it this beautiful look. You can unselect it by clicking Unselect and change the color by clicking the color right here. Click on Continue. Choose the amount of percentage. You can either show percentage discount or your currency discount. You can even have a minimum purchase amount so you can't run out of discounts. Click on Continue. As you can see, Grit Loox is installed. You can import reviews by clicking Import Reviews and import to Loox. And then you will have your CSV file, which you already should have. As you can see, upload it and you will be good to go. You can see also, please follow this instruction to import reviews from Shopify product reviews or any apps that looks from those. As I said, you should have .csv file that you can download. That's it. Goodbye.